Hello! I am at the Sun Palace Resort in Cancun, Mexico, and I'm going to show you around my room. I am on the 8th floor in a king ocean view suite. Double vanities, back mirror lining, kind of cool. Closet complete with bathrobes, and there's slippers in the other little closet there. You have a shower room. The whole room gets enclosed with a glass door, and you got the rainfall shower head. Make sure you look good at the resort. You have a stocked minibar. This is all included in the price. You got 4 kinds of liquor. They've left me some red wine. And down here in the bottom, you have soda and beer, water, juice, mango juice there on the, and a soda water as well. Swing around, which I'll try not to make you thick here. We got a jacuzzi tub for 2, king size bed, little seating area, and you can probably hear it already. The piece de la resistance. And that is the Caribbean Sea. Apparently at night and during the season, which is the beginning of the season, so I may try to find this. Oh, look at this guy. There's turtles come up all along the beach and lay their eggs. She said, one of the gals I'm with said you have to come out around midnight, 1 o'clock, and you might be able to see them. So I'm bound and determined to try that at least once. So anyway, lots of fun stuff here at the Sun Palace. I'll probably show you a little bit more later.